Hello beautiful people, welcome back to slow English speaking video, and it's me Sushant Paul in front of you. It's uh, afternoon time, so I can say good afternoon all of you, and hope you all are doing great. I'm doing fantastic today, and today I have come here. As you can see, this place, it's a very big place, and it's called Netrokona University. Actually, there is no any building, but as you can see, there is a big building. And yeah, after coming here, I'm so glad. You can say I'm over the moon. Okay, and it's afternoon time. I have come here with one of my BI and one of my mama, and they are sitting over there and they are talking over phone. Okay, so if you are beginner and if you want to learn English, then you have to practice. Practice makes someone perfect, so you have to practice a lot. If you are beginner, then if you want to speak English like me, then first of all you have to improve your listening skill. Listening skill is very important, and there are four skills you have to improve. They are listening, reading, writing, and another one is speaking. Okay, so first of all you have to listen a lot. You have to listen English a lot, and you can listen anything, whatever you like. If you like cartoon, then try to watch cartoon in English. If you like movies, then you can watch movies with subtitle. Okay, because if you are beginner, right? So you can enjoy movies with subtitle, and you can enjoy English music. And these are the way how you can improve your listening skill very easily. Okay, so yeah, just look at the uh, view. It's amazing, isn't it? And there are so many people. They uh, come here actually. uh, okay, so if you want to improve your English, you have to improve your listening skill, reading skill, writing skill, and speaking skill. For speaking, you have to speak. You can make some foreigner friend, okay, who can speak English, or you can find out some friend who can speak English and you can practice with them. You can watch all of my videos, all of my slow English speaking videos on my YouTube channel. Okay, and hope all videos will be very helpful for you. Okay, so that's it for today. I don't want it more longer, and goodbye. Keep practicing. Just look, there is a dog, and it's sleeping right now. And that's it. Goodbye. Have a good day.